If you need to move anything, feel free to do it.
Yeah. Alright, so this room is about, I'd say 14 or so by 16. Here's the spot. So it starts here, there's a seam going right down here. Alright, so I think we could just take the drywall from roughly here. There's a joist right inside of there. Cut it back this way, down to the next joist, back to the next joist. And then you're going to have a little piece here that you got to do something with. But after that, we're just going to take over this way. We don't want to go too far because we don't want to mess with the molding. All right, so we want to stop everything before we get to the molding. You can see where this piece stops right here. You can see the actual line. And it goes that way. So if we brought it right to here, we go right down that seam all the way over here. And then somewhere right in here after the stain marks, you can stop and come over. It looks like the next piece stops right here. You can see the little shadow of the seam there. Come to that next seam and take it down there. So it'll be this whole stretch here. This whole side, about one joist off of over there, one joist off of over here. You can see the seam too actually in the light, just barely. So that's a good, probably about 2 full sheets of drywall. And then there'll be a little piece here that comes out a little bit farther than that tape seam. You can see where the tape seam comes here, and this sticks out just a little bit farther on this side. So I have to figure something out there too. But anyway, so that's what we got. So it's like 2 full pieces of drywall, it looks like, coming out, or pretty close to it. This room is probably not quite 16 feet, but it's probably pretty close. So rounding up 2 full sheets of drywall to take out the ceiling and then put back and finish it. And if you need to come over here and take a look, we can arrange that. But I think this one's pretty straightforward. There ain't a whole lot here that is going to surprise you or anything. It's just about cutting those 2 full sheets out. I'll try to give you some different views here. So although we got a small hole here in that tape seam, we just want to go start here, cut it out all the way down that tape seam, over to here, all the way down to this wall, and back over, not all the way on the wall, but a little bit off the wall so that we don't have to mess with any of the molding. And then back over to there. And then after it's done, we will paint it.